Hey learners! We are going to be taking some time to demonstrate what we have learned about moon phases and the solar system models, and we are going to create a project. So we know it's important to make models because our universe is really big, and without models we really wouldn't be able to understand or see or really look at what different things do in our solar system. So using models helps us look at the size of objects and the distance of objects to really better understand what's going on. So for this project, you are going to create some sort of 3D model of the Earth, Moon, and Sun. And so what you need for this project is a Earth, is a Moon, and a Sun. And your model, and you're going to show how they all have a relationship to one another and how you can use your model to demonstrate what you understand about each of these moon phases. So your model should show all of the moon phases when you show your presentation at the end or make your video at the end. You should be able to show what a solar and a lunar eclipse are, and you must have an Earth, Moon, and Sun in your model, and it will be hopefully some sort of 3D model for you. Obviously, there will be some exceptions as we are not in a similar setting as a classroom, but if you have the materials, it would be really cool if you could make this a 3D model. So at the end, I'm going to ask for you to answer each of these questions using your model so you can really demonstrate both that you know how to make a model, you know how to use a model, but also that you understand what the purpose of your model is. So we're going to look at, hey, what are the limitations of this model? So is your model showing the actual size and distance of objects in our solar system, or is it not really showing it? And that's okay, but that's a limitation. So I would like you to talk about those limitations. You are going to talk about how you could use your model to talk about different and new objects that might show up in the solar system at any given time. So if we observe something new in our solar system, how could we use our model to really understand what was happening? We are going to answer a question about, or you're going to use your model to demonstrate the phases of the moon. And you will see this rubric in Schoology in your assignment, so you can look through that, and you'll also see your questions in your in Schoology that you should be answering with your model. Here's some examples of solar system models that we have seen before. So you could create this out of a box with a flashlight. You could use like fasteners and popsicle sticks. People have used Legos, lots of different ideas, and really whatever you want to do that's going to help you. We've also had students create some things with moving cups and models that are a little bit more stagnant but also still three-dimensional. And we've even had students use Tinkercad to create three-dimensional models that move around in Tinkercad. So again, when you are finished creating your model, you will use your camera and your video to record you with your project and also answering each of these questions here. And you will upload that on the side over here so that you can receive some credit for your awesome learning. I hope that you enjoy creating this model and learning just a little bit more about the objects in our solar system, the moon, the Earth, and the sun. Remember, today is a great day to learn. Happy learning!